guys, I'm Natural BB and welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this right here. This is pretty cute. It's pretty simple. I'm always trying to come with the most simple hairstyles, and I know this is well known everywhere. Who doesn't know the puff? But this is just how I do my puffs. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got my puff, then please continue watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. And let's get straight into this video.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.